Hey there, this is my presentation one for the interactive advanced concept. I have a balloon, some table salt, and some pepper. What I'm going to do is show how the charges of each of the objects will affect each other and how to display the charges. Um, so when the balloon is filled with air and rubbed against my head, it's going to be negatively charged. The electrostatic electricity is going to have a whole bunch of electrons around, creating that extra negative charge. And what I'm going to show is that since table salt has sodium and chloride, or that's what it's composed of, it's actually a neutral ionic compound because sodium has a 1 plus charge and chlorine has a negative 1 negative charge. So 1 plus and 1 negative is 0, so it should be neutral. I don't know the charge of pepper. I'm assuming that because I'm trying to extract it, it's going to be positive. Like, um, so what I'm going to do is pour salt and pepper onto a plate, blow the balloon up, and see what happens. So I already have some salt and pepper placed onto here because I've done it one time before. Now I'm making a mess. Okay, so add a little bit more salt. A little bit more pepper. I have probably about at least 2 teaspoons at this point. All mixed up. See? Just salt and pepper. Okay. So, rub it against my hair. I think it's pretty appropriate that my shirt actually says "Gym hair don't care." So, that's pretty much what it's gonna look like. Okay, yep, that should be good. Alright, so I'm gonna start pretty high so I can slowly see what's being attracted to the balloon. I can hear it already, and I can see the pepper. It's like little blackheads. The pepper is easily floating up there very quickly, especially the smaller parts because they're not all the same size. And what's interesting is that the closer that I get to the salt and pepper mixture, there's actually salt on there too, which I wouldn't think would happen because, like I said, it should be a neutral ionic compound. Um, but what I'm thinking happened is that the electrons from the balloon actually transferred into the mixture here. And so as the balloon lost some of its charge, the salt and pepper mixture gained it. And so since the balloon became not so negatively charged, the salt may have become gotten more of a charge to it. So I'm thinking that maybe there was a transfer of positive and negative electrons that created a charge between the two. So yeah, because of the um, neutral charge in the salt, there should be no attraction to the electric charge of the balloon, but obviously there was a positive charge to the pepper, so that was attracted to the balloon.